Hello?
Shut up, dickhead.
What am I going to do?
Rosanna, Rosanna. Running down the way. La la la. Rosanna.
Where is it? Where is her? Hello? Where have you been? Why would you not fly into me? I bet if I had a chip you would. Come on. Get it! Oh, he's fell out of me. Come here, I want you. Would you believe that? Come on, I want you now. Quick, hurry up. Come on. He's fell out of me because I put him in his cage. I never got him out of his cage yesterday. Well, I did, but not much. You can laugh all you want. See if you're going to drive me insane this day. You will left in the house. Do you hear me? Never mind. What?
You're my sunshine. Rosanna.